You can make millions of dollars with this AI tool. You want to create faceless content reels, but you don't know where to start from? Then this video is for you. Welcome back guys, this is day 4 of 100 days of learning AI. Today I'm going to teach you how to make faceless content reel within just 15 minutes. You go to google.com and then you type trends.google.com. फिर वहाँ जाके टॉप लेफ्ट के अंदर 3 लाइन्स है, you click on that. इसके बाद में click on trending now. Then click on past 7 days. You can see these are the trending news which has been searched by people in last 7 days. So you find a topic which you want to make video on. Then you select the topic. I have selected the Tirumali Tirupati Laddu topic. Select any article which you want. I selected one article. Now I'm copying everything here. You select and select all. Go to GPT and write extract the news from this word by word in Hindi and you paste that here. Now you see you have the complete thing in Hindi. Once you have copied google.com and then you type invideo.ai. You click on InVideo AI, you click on generate video. I have selected news video. You paste the content which we have copied from GPT. Go back to the link and copy the link. Paste the link and then you click on continue. Now let's play.
देखने वाले भाइयों और बहनों जरा संभल के बैठिए। तिरुपति के लड्डुओं पर बवाल मचा हुआ है। खम्मम के एक भक्त ने लड्डू में तंबाकू होने का दावा किया है।
So now your video is ready and you can post it on YouTube, you can post it on Instagram and get viral.